Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about the dividend income projection formula for buying more shares monthly. When you are building dividend income, one of the most important things to understand is how your income can grow as you keep buying more shares every month. This formula helps you estimate how many shares you may own in the future and how much dividend income those shares could generate. First, start with the basic inputs. You need to know your current shares owned, which we call S0. Then, you need to know how many shares you plan to buy each month, shown as B. You may also use the monthly amount invested, shown as M, and the average share price, shown as P. Along with that, you need the annual dividend per share, called DPS, and the number of months, shown as N. If you want to include dividend growth, you can also use G as the dividend growth rate. Next, if you invest a fixed dollar amount every month instead of buying a fixed number of shares, you can estimate the number of shares bought monthly by dividing your monthly investment by the average share price. In simple terms, B equals M divided by P. This helps you convert your monthly investment amount into an estimated number of new shares. After that, project your future shares. The formula is shares after n months equals current shares plus shares bought each month multiplied by the number of months. In other words, total shares equals S0 plus B times N. This step shows how your share count may increase over time when you keep adding shares regularly. Then, if you are using a monthly dollar investment, the formula becomes shares after n months equals S0 plus M divided by P, multiplied by N. This gives you a more flexible way to calculate future shares when your monthly contribution is based on money rather than a fixed share count. Now, once you estimate your total shares, you can calculate your annual dividend income. The basic formula is annual dividend income equals total shares multiplied by dividend per share. So, after n months, annual dividend income equals S0 plus B times N, multiplied by DPS. This shows the projected yearly dividend income based on the total shares you may own. In addition, you can include dividend growth if the company regularly increases its dividend. For this, multiply the annual dividend income by 1 plus the dividend growth rate raised to the number of years. This optional step can help you estimate a more realistic long-term income projection if dividends are expected to grow over time. Next, to make the number easier to understand for monthly budgeting, divide the annual dividend income by 12. This gives you an estimated monthly dividend income. However, remember that many companies pay dividends quarterly, so the actual payments may not arrive evenly every month. For example, imagine you currently own 100 shares. You buy 5 more shares each month, the dividend per share is $2.40 per year, and the time period is 12 months. First, calculate the total shares after 12 months. That is 100 plus 5 multiplied by 12, which equals 160 shares. Then, calculate the annual dividend income. Multiply 160 shares by $2.40. The result is $384 per year. After that, divide $384 by 12 to estimate the monthly dividend income. This gives about $32 per month. So, in this example, buying 5 more shares every month increases the projected dividend income to $384 per year, or about $32 per month after 12 months. Finally, keep a few helpful reminders in mind. Reinvesting dividends can help you buy even more shares and accelerate growth. Also, if the share price changes, recalculate the number of shares you can buy using B equals M divided by P. And for better planning, always consider taxes and the actual dividend payment schedule. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.